Remember to set your Cornell notes up in the style. This is 8.4, and then the title of it was something like converting. Yeah, I don't know. You're gonna have to look at your to-do list and see what it says. It was something like converting measurements. Okay, if you look at your to-do list, it tells you converting measurements. Okay, your date goes over here. Remember, you're going to put your questions here, and then all your notes are going to go here. I should see WGU tables over here. Okay, remember, if you need to watch a video more than once, rewind it, do it again. You can take notes the first time and then delete them. I mean, not delete, I'm deleting right now. Take notes the first time and then just go back and watch it again and focus on what I'm telling you or whatever, but watching the video more than once is always a good thing. Okay, on your WGU table, you're going to be solving example 1. It says, what's the weight of a 3-pound human brain in ounces? Okay, so let's set up our WGU table. W stands for words. So this is where we put the units that we're working with. The brain is, they're talking about pounds. Pounds. And they want to know what it is in ounces. I'm going to use abbreviations. Okay. Now, the given, you're going to have to go find it on your, what's it called? The little paper that we give you to get all this stuff from. Pounds and ounces is where? Right here. Pounds and ounces. Okay, so 1 pound is 16 ounces, and they're saying it's a 3-pound brain. So we're going to put the 3 up here. Okay, now I've taught you that the way that's going to work every single time is to cross multiply and divide. Okay, so 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, that equals 48. And 48 divided by 1 is 48. Now some of you are saying, Ms. Valletta, why can't we just take it times 3? 1 times 3 is 3. 16 times 3 is 48. That'll work. That'll work on these most of the time. But sometimes you're going to have a really weird number that's not easy to multiply. It's not going to be just a whole number that you multiply it by. And if you cross multiply and divide, it's going to work every single time. You may have a decimal or fraction as an answer, but you'll be able to find it very easily. So if you practice cross multiplying and dividing now while it's easy and easy numbers, friendly numbers, then when they get more difficult, you'll be used to it. It won't be such a big deal. Okay, so if you look at the little answers over here, that's what they say. The weight is 48 ounces. Okay, right here. Elena wants to buy 2 gallons of milk but can only find quart containers for sale. How many quarts does she need? Okay, so let's set up our WGU table. And we're talking about quarts and gallons. Quarts and gallons. And when you look at your formula chart, it tells you that there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. If I haven't given you a formula chart by this lesson to use in the classroom, then ask me, because you need to be getting used to using it. And then it says she wants to buy 2 gallons of milk. So we put the 2 down here because this row is where the gallons are. And then how many quarts will that be? So we're going to cross multiply and divide. You can't cross multiply here because there's nothing to multiply the 1 with. So we have to cross multiply here. 2 times 4 is 8. And then divide 8 by 1, which is 8. Okay, so she's going to need 8 quarts. There's our label right here, 8 quarts. And that's what they have here is their answer.